Okay, folks, Terry Brown here. I want to share something with you that's really very powerful. Came across my desk a couple of days ago. I'm getting the information out now, and it is really, really exciting. It is something that if you're interested in making some great income, is something that you should take a look at. Okay. Guess what? It costs you nothing to take a look at. But as you can see, it says breaking 24/7 marketing powerhouse. 50 leads per day, 350 leads per week, ongoing leads. And look and get this, $20 one time. That's $20 one time for the first 10,000 people only. Okay. Excuse eliminator. AI recruits for you. The best part? Get paid $60 for every referral, plus $15 monthly recurring income, 2 levels down. Okay. Now stay with me for the next minute or so. Okay. I just want to share something with you really, really quickly. Okay, so I just want to share this with you really quickly and let you know where you can access this information. Okay, look at this with me. It says, "Are you ready for this? I seriously don't know how it gets any better." Okay, read this twice. You no longer have an excuse that you can't recruit people because AI will do it for you. And you know for yourself, if you've been following what's going on in the AI world, you know it is really phenomenal what's happening. This is an incredible program, okay? And all you need to do is come here and take a look at it. I'm going to show you where you can, again, where you can access this information. Now, look here. It says, not only is this AI lead generation machine only $20 one time, their $1 million advertising budget is being used to pay you $60 for every one you refer. Okay. And so this new AI company is looking to build their company, and they're willing to pay you to bring people into this company, this opportunity. Okay. It's very powerful. Plus, you're able to earn $15 monthly recurring income, 2 levels down. Now, I don't know how long this is going to go on, but it's going on right now, and you can take a part of this. Okay. Read this again. This offer is only for the first 10,000 people, and it won't last. Okay. So let me just scroll down, and you're going to simply come here to this page. All right. And you're going to take your one-time $20 spot here. Now let me just show you where you can access this information, okay? And I'm going to leave a couple links in the description area of this video, but let's go and I'll show you this real quick. Okay, so here we are on my web page, and let me just scroll down and I'll show you where the links are. There's 2 links that you might want to take a look at for this incredible opportunity. And if you look at here, it says number 12 and number 13, breaking 24/7 marketing powerhouse 1, and then breaking 24/7 marketing powerhouse 2. So the link to this web page is going to be in the description area of this video. Be sure to check out this opportunity. $20 one time out of pocket, and you'll be able to earn, currently you'll be able to earn $60 for every referral that you bring into this opportunity. $20 one time out of pocket. Okay. But there you have it, guys. This is the other page that you will come to. Man, this is incredible. But come and take a look. Okay. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and awesome day today. Bye bye now.